are here today for the opening day of Urban Orchard Project. I'm so glad to be a part of this. There was a great turnout. The weather was great. We had some cloud coverage. We had yoga classes. We had free food. Just good to be a part of the community in this successful project.
I'm really excited on this project because it's going to bring, first of all, a place for our seniors who we have the mobile park right next door. They can come out and do their walks.
Para conocer personas y hablar y entretenerme y conversar con ella, con la otra y la otra.
Well, it's so great to be here at the opening of this new park, to have the community come out, and you could see firsthand just a community coming together, how it's good for mental health, it's good for exercise. Of course, the water conservation efforts here only add to that. The educational area is great. Why? So we can teach kids about how to be more efficient in saving water, where water comes from.
So this project in particular, it takes water from our Bandini channel, takes it into the park, into a wetland, so it treats it for water quality. It reuses a lot of the water for the irrigation, for the landscaping, and there's a water conservation component, so it hits all the goals.
This is definitely a beautiful gem that we're offering to the community of Southgate, and just not our community, to the region.
So if you're out there, you're watching this video, please come and see what we have here in Southgate.